If your organization allows you to use the Idaptive app on a mobile device to prove your identity when signing into the portal, and you've already installed the app and registered the device to your account, you'll see Mobile Authenticator listed as one of your options to prove your identity when signing in. It may be available as the first challenge or as the second challenge, depending on your organization's requirements. When you select Mobile Authenticator as your authentication method, a notification is sent to your device. Tap the notification to open the app and approve the login request. If this was your first challenge, you may need to use a second method to prove your identity to finish signing in. You won't see Mobile Authenticator as an option for the second challenge if that's how you proved your identity for the first challenge. If you've made a mistake for one of the challenges, you may continue to the next challenge or be redirected. You can select Start Over. If the Mobile Authenticator was your second challenge and you've successfully proved your identity for both challenges, you'll be signed into your portal.